You mustn't worry about going to the goods yard tonight. Uncouple those cars.
Leave them here in the yard. We'll look after them for you, Thomas. No problemo.
Yes, come on inside. We'll keep you nice and warm.
This is the hottest place in town. Yeah.
I don't know where you thought you were going, but here you are.
I don't know what you thought you were doing, but you've come so far.
This is the place you were meant to be being.
These are the sights you were meant to be seeing.
We'll lift your thermostat up a degree or two.
And we're guaranteeing that you'll be agreeing it's true.
This is the hottest place in town.
We'll warm you up when you're feeling down. We'll make a smile out of every frown.
Just take a look around at the joy we found.
This is the place you can have some fun, where you can feel like a #1. We've got more sunshine than the sun. There's a light in our eyes we simply can't disguise.
This is the hottest place in town. Yeah.
Come in and come along for the riding, shunting lovely ladle cars up the sidings. Rails so smooth that you'll be gliding along, and before you know it, you'll be joining us in our song. This is the hottest place in town.
Woo!
No other like it anywhere around. You'll be a king and you'll wear a crown.
I say.
What we're trying to say is that we hope you'll stay. This is the place you can shine like gold. Our jobs are cool, but we're never cold. We really think you could fit the mold. You'll be part of the team, you'll be living the dream.
This is the hottest place in town.
Come in and come along for the riding,
Shunting lovely ladle cars up the sidings. Rails so smooth that you'll be gliding along, and before you know it, you'll be joining us in our song.
This is the hottest place in town.
Yeah!
You know it.
You warm me up when I'm feeling down. You'll make a smile out of every frown.
You've got it!
You know you're keeping it real when you're working with steel.
This is the place I can have some fun.
That's it, Thomas.
Where I can feel like #1. I've got more sunshine than the sun.
You're #1.
There's no looking back now, you're on the right track now.
This is the